Hi, what you guys doing? Would you like some mealworms? Oh, yes you would. Oh, we love mealworms. Oh, they're so good. Here, duckies, come here. Oh, duckies. Duckies. Cheep, cheep, cheep. They want those mealworms. You guys want those mealworms. Oh, wait, come on over. Wait, come on. Goofy goobers. They saw the kale. They love kale. They love the kale so much. Come on, guys. Cheep, cheep, cheep. Got kale. Kale. Oh, gosh. Come here, duckies. Yeah. MeowMeow is eating. Cheep, cheep, cheep. Hi, guys. What's this? I've got some kale. You guys. What is it? Look at all this water. What do you guys think? Get in it? Here. What? Uh-oh. Trying to do this one-handed, it's kind of hard. There you go. You want to get in the water? Oh, we're a little startled, huh? What do you think? You guys not ready to jump in the water yet? That's my yellow one. This is pointy tail. The black one to the right is curly tail. Gotta give them better names. Oh yes, kale. Yum. They've got some kale. I love kale. I'll gobble that right up. Where'd it go? Gave you too big a piece. I'm sorry, friend. You okay? Couple more little pieces of kale. You guys love it. That's all I got. You guys are so soft. I'm gonna nibble my fingers to death, huh?